Now we're asked to balance the following chemical equations. Now number one, we have magnesium reacting with hydrogen chloride to give us magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. Now I have to ensure that the amount of element found at the reactant should be equal to the amount of element found at the product. Now let's begin. Now first of all, I have magnesium. The amount of magnesium I have here is 1, while the one I have here is also 1. It means my magnesium is balanced. Then next I have hydrogen. The amount of hydrogen here is 1, while hydrogen here is 2. It means my hydrogen is not balanced. In other words, I'm going to add 2 at the reactant. So now the hydrogen at the reactant is 2, while the hydrogen at the product is 2. Remember, the number you're adding at the beginning is called the coefficient. Now next, I'm moving to chlorine. Now my chlorine here becomes 2 because of this one I just added. So I have 2 chlorine at the reactant, then I have to have 2 chlorine at the product. It means my equation is balanced. 1 magnesium, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorine, then also 2 chlorine. My equation is balanced. The number 2, I have barium chloride reacting with tetrasulfite 6 acid to give us barium sulfate and hydrogen chloride. Now, I have just 1 barium at the reactant. I have 1 barium at the product, means my barium is balanced. I have 2 chlorine at the reactant. I have 1 chlorine at the product. It means my chlorine is not balanced. It means I'm going to add a subscript here, which is 2. Now my chlorine becomes what? Balanced for both the reactant and the product. I'm having 2 at both ends. Then next, I'm moving to my hydrogen. The hydrogen here is 2 at the reactant. The hydrogen here is also 2 at the product. Now my sulfur here is 1 at the reactant. My sulfur here is 1 at the product. My oxygen here is 4 at the reactant. My oxygen here is 4 at the product. It simply means my equation is balanced. Now guys, I want you to work on number 3. Balance the equation, snap and post it on the comment section. I'll be waiting. Thank you.